In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Photopea bigger so it's easier to see, easier to edit, and much more comfortable to use. If the interface feels too small, don't worry, because there are a couple of simple ways to increase the size without needing any extra tools or complicated settings. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tips just like this. Let's jump in. The first method is the easiest one, and it uses the Chrome menu at the top of your browser. This is great because you do not need to right-click inside Photopea or search through the app settings. Instead, move your mouse all the way to the very top right corner of Google Chrome, outside of the Photopea website itself. You'll see the three vertical dots, which is the main Chrome menu. Click that menu, and a drop-down will open. In that drop-down, look for the Zoom section. You'll usually see a minus button, a percentage, and a plus button. If you want Photopea to look bigger, click the plus button to zoom in. Each click will make the entire browser interface larger, including Photopea. If you go too far, you can click the minus button to zoom back out until it feels right. This is one of the simplest ways to make everything more readable right away. Right next to the zoom controls, you'll also see a full screen icon. It usually looks like a square or a dashed square. If you click that, Chrome will expand Photopea across your whole monitor and remove distractions from the browser interface. This is especially useful if you want more working space for editing images, selecting tools, or viewing fine details. For many people, full screen plus browser zoom is the perfect combination. Now let's go over the second method, which is the safe click trick for using your keyboard or mouse wheel. Sometimes people try to zoom and nothing happens because Photopea is actively capturing the keyboard or mouse input. If that happens, the fix is simple. Click once in the Chrome address bar at the very top of the screen where it says photopea.com. Once the address bar is active and your cursor is blinking there, Chrome gets control back. Now you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and plus to zoom in or Ctrl and minus to zoom out. If you prefer using the mouse wheel, this is also a good moment to try it again if your browser supports it. The important idea here is that you want the browser itself to be active, not just the Photopea canvas. That one small click outside the editor can make all the difference. If your goal is just to make the whole Photopea window look larger, browser zoom is usually the best option. If your goal is to create more screen space, full screen is the better choice. And if you need to switch between different levels of zoom while working, you can combine both methods depending on what you're doing. A quick tip before you go: if Photopea feels too small on a laptop, try using full screen first, then increase the zoom a little bit. That usually gives the best balance between visibility and workspace. And if your browser zoom gets too high, don't panic. Just open the Chrome menu again and adjust it back down. So now you know exactly how to make Photopea bigger, using the Chrome menu and the safe click trick for shortcuts. These are simple methods, but they can make a huge difference in your editing speed and comfort. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.